In case you still don't have a job board built on software, you can do that very easily. Start to create a new app. Just write in the search bar job and you will see job listing website. Choose this one, follow the steps to connect to your Airtable database, and you will get this kind of job board from software already built for you, and then you can modify it as you need, delete all the records and so on. We will not go through the steps how you can start to create the new app. Software has materials about this. Let's go into this specific solution, how we can build this evaluation of the candidate. Yeah, and I have added one more vacancy on this database from Fin Business Automation Manager. And what I did to be able to have this solution. By default, this functionality where you click on the job listing and then it opens up, that was already built in, so I didn't need to modify that. I added one more button, apply, which then goes to this job listings page where you can apply for the job. But the other button which opens model actually already was there, but we need to edit it. As you see, I only have here a form and you can build it again very easily. Let's go and do that. So we go to pages, add new page. This will be video test. Let's call it like that. You will give a better name for that. And then you want to create a page where is form that we will ask our users to submit, and we can add this customizable form to our page. You can also use conditional forms that software has recently implemented. You will have to try out the free trial for 1 month, and then you can use the conditional forms. But for this specific use case, we can also use the regular customizable form block. And what I want to do is I want to, of course, edit this form, and to do that I have to choose where I will send this form, and we will send it to a make, but that could be also Zapier. We can send it also to data source, which would be Airtable. In that case, you will need to build this scenario a bit differently. So let's stick to a make. Just follow these steps, how you can attach software form to a make, and you will be good to go. And then we can delete full name. I'm not asking that. Also phone, company name, company size, all this can be deleted. In addition to email, what we need to add is URL field, where we will be asking for LinkedIn. So the user's LinkedIn profile address label, I won't be using that one. And one more thing that you need to add is hidden field, because we want to know for which position this person wants to apply. And for that we use hidden field, and we will use these parameters, and the parameter that you want to use is record ID. So just write record ID exactly how I wrote it, and you will be good to go. Press add, and that's basically it. And if I would go now back to our main page where all the job listings is, you press on this add and go to actions, and you will see where you have buttons. You can also add more buttons that will be visible on each ad that will be opened. And I have this check your fit button. And the action that I want to do is open details page. So if I open this one, I want to open details page, and I'm opening it as a model. pop-up. So that's why it opens up here on this right side. So that's model. And we should choose which detail page we want to open. But as you can see, there is no details page for job boards in this app, because for the page that we just created, this video test page, software doesn't consider that as details page at the moment. So what you have to do is, if you want to create this kind of page where you will have only form visible, at the beginning you have to, in this page that we just created, you have to add one more block. And the block is list details. Then just add any block that you want, and you have to connect this list details block to your data source. And once you will have selected this data source, you'll see that automatically it populates all the fields. You can also then, if you want, do different mapping, you can do that, but that's actually not needed, but because we will not use this details block at our finished solution. So what you have to do now, when you have added this details block, you would go back to your main page. You go to this Actions tab again, not the style, but you check your fit, open details page, and here where we can choose which page we want to open, you see now we have this video test page. And the reason is we can open it because we have this details block added there. So you have to choose it. And now you can go back to this video test page, and you can delete this block, and it still will work. And why we needed to do that is because only by opening a details page we are passing this record ID. If we wouldn't have done it, we couldn't pass this record ID of that job ad for which the user wants to apply and for which he or she wants to get evaluation for. So that's at least how I did it. It works, so you can try it too. Just follow the steps to connect it to Make, and then we can move to Airtable at the beginning.